Oh, New Jersey, you suck. So I was out here like 6:30 this morning. Start the car. Called a neighbor from around the corner there. Sometimes I catch him. Sometimes I don't. And I got him to use his snowblower right here. It's hard to tell, but he snowblowed this swath, which is enough for me to get out my superior tires. That's right, my winter tires. So, and I just said to head in, which I don't have to be there till 10 or 10:30 or 11, they said, which is fine, to work. I'll be able to get out through that swath with my superior winter tires. And it's still snowing a little. Still snowing up here in Jersey. Shout out to Heather. Here's your snow. Shouting out to Heather in California. Never been in snow like this. I'm going back inside. Car's all warmed up. I can get out of the driveway. Life is good. Catch y'all later.